Good morning, students. This session for class 2nd, English Literature. We will do lesson number 3, The Lost Laugh. We have finished lesson 1, lesson 2. Now we begin with lesson 3, The Lost Laugh. So ready? First we'll do reading. While I'm reading, I'll explain in English only. Kindly listen to it carefully and try to understand. Heine was very sad. He had lost his laugh. So Heine went to Giraffe. Now what's a hyena? It's a wild animal. He was very sad one day as he thought he has lost his laugh. Can anybody lose their laugh? No. So the hyena went to Giraffe. Please help me find my laugh. Giraffe, he said. So sadly he went to the giraffe and said, Giraffe, please help me find my laugh. Giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around the tree tops. Giraffe has long neck now, so the giraffe lifted the long neck. She saw it around the treetop. I can't hear a laugh up here. Heine, she said. As the giraffe lifted her long neck and looked around, she couldn't find the laugh. Then Heine saw Hippo swimming in the lake. Now the hyena went sadly to the hippo. When giraffe said, she said, I can't find your laugh. Then the hyena went to the hippo. Please help me find my laugh, hippo, he said. Now hippopotamus was swimming in the water. Then the hyena said, please help me find my laugh, hippo, he said. Hippo looked in the water. I can't hear a laugh. Down here, she said. Hyena went to the elephant next. After the hippo said, no, I can't find your laugh in the water, so he went sadly to the elephant. Now let's see what the elephant said. Elephant flapped his ears, big ears, and listened carefully. I can't hear your laugh anywhere in the jungle, hyena. Now the giraffe refused. The hyena, no, I can't. Then hippo, no, I can't find your laugh. Then he went to the elephant. Elephant has big ears, so it flapped his ear and then listened carefully, but no laugh. He couldn't find the hyena's laugh anywhere. I can't hear your laugh. He couldn't hear the laugh anywhere. Finally, hyena went to monkey. Now where he went? Yes, hyena went to the monkey. Please help me find my laugh. Monkey, he said. Finally, last he went to the monkey. Let's see what monkey did. How did you lose it, hyena? Asked monkey. Now as you know, monkey is a very clever animal. Yes, na? You know? So he firstly asked, how did you lose it? Swimming from a branch. He was swinging from branch to branch. While swinging from a branch. When I laughed, everyone saw my big teeth. They got scared, said hyena. So they ran away. This made me sad. So my laugh disappeared. First the monkey said, first tell me, how did you lose the laugh? He was swinging on a branch. The hyena said, when I was laughing loudly and my teeth were showing. All the other animals got scared from my teeth and they disappeared. They ran away. Ah, then you are looking for it in the wrong places, said monkey. Then the monkey said, you are looking for your laugh in the wrong place. As monkeys are very clever, he jumped down from the tree and picked up a feather. Then what the monkey did, he jumped from the tree and then picked up a feather. Then he began to tickle Hyena all over. What he did, he picked up the feather and he tickled Hyena all over. Tickle means gudgudi. वो गुदगुदी करने लगा. Slowly Hyena started to smile and then he let out a big loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. What did the monkey do? He jumped from the tree, he picked up a feather and tickled the Hyena. While tickling, the Hyena started to smile slowly. Then a big loud laugh came out. And the Hyena was rolling around on the ground. All the other animals heard Hyena's laugh. They came running. And when they heard the Hyena laughing, all the other animals came running. Where did you find his laugh? He asked monkey. His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy and it came out. Other animals questioned monkey, where did you find his laugh? Monkey said, it was not lost, it was inside him. Can we lose our laugh? No, it is inside us. When we are happy, when we are overjoyed, we smile, we laugh. And when we are sad, then our laugh is lost. So in the same way, the Hyena's laugh was lost as he was sad. The other animals were happy to hear this. So they laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. Now what happened? The other animals were also happy. So they also laughed and showed their teeth. I'll never lose my laugh again, said Hyena happily. And then the Hyena said, never I will lose my laugh now. And he was very happy. So this was a story about Hyena. He became sad as he thought his laugh is lost. He went first for help. To look for his laugh, he told the giraffe first. He look for my laugh. Then he went to the hippo. What the hippo was doing? Swimming in the lake. Then he went to the elephant. Everybody said, no, giraffe, hippo, elephant, no, we cannot hear your laugh anywhere. Finally, the monkey helped Hyena. To find his laugh inside him. This was a story about Hyena. How he thought that he has lost his laugh. And the monkey made him realize that his laugh is not lost. Nobody can lose their laugh. It is inside the Hyena only. Now children, in the notebook, we are going to do the dictation words 1 to 10. Today we will do only the dictation words 1 to 10. First, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Second, feather. F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather. Third, tickle. T-I-C-K-L-E, tickle. Fourth, flapped. F-L-A-P-P-E-D, flapped. Fifth, swinging. swing, swing, ing, swinging. Hyena, hyena. This one disappeared. Learn it nicely. disappeared. Disappeared. 8th, scared. 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 9th, ground. 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 10th, lose. 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 1 to 10 dictation words. In the next session, we will do word meanings and the exercise. That's all for today. Read this story once again. Okay? Thank you, children. God bless.